How to see login history on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see login history on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see login history on Facebook as to the devices and the location from where your Facebook account is logged in, just open the Facebook application here. Then tap the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then again make sure to tap the gear icon that you can find here. Then you'll find this option here known as Account Center. So tap on the See More in Account Center button here. And you tap on that option, over here you'll find all this. So you have to go to this option here known as Password and Security. And under Password and Security, you'll find the option called Where You Are Logged In. So when you select where you are logged in, you can select your Facebook account from here. And then you will be able to see a list of devices from where your Facebook account was last logged in. So you can select that particular device maybe you don't recognize. And then you can tap the log out option to log out of those devices. But to give you an idea, this is how you can see your login history on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.